Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again. I know I look a little bit weird right now, but that's because for today's video I wanted to do something a little bit different. I feel like I say that every day, but I did. So instead of just a regular tutorial, I wanted to do a look with colors because I don't really use colors. So what inspired me to use some colors today is that I really wanted to make my eyes pop. I have hazel eyes. I don't know if you can tell. No, you can't tell. But I really wanted to do a look that makes hazel eyes pop. So instead of just doing a regular tutorial, I decided to do two looks that make green or hazel eyes look awesome. And I read online that purples and greens really make them look bomb. So I decided to do two different eyeshadow looks for you guys. One is like this purple, like sexy moment, and then this is like this green sultry. So yeah, if you want to know how to get either of these looks, then just keep on watching. Quick disclaimer, for this video I'm not going to be showing any of the products I use just because it's all about the eyeshadow and the looks. But if you're super interested, all I really used was the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and Urban Decay's Naked Heat palette. On to the video. First, we are going to do the green look. As we all know, we always got to start with the transition shade. So I'm just taking this peachy shade and putting that in the crease. And then I'm going to be slowly deepening that up with different cool tone browns. Since the star of the show here is a cool toned olive green shade, most of the other shades should also be cool toned as well. So I'm going to be focusing those brown shades a little bit lower than the first transition shade to get that ombre effect as usual. And then we're going to deepen it up with this forest green shade. I'm packing that onto the outer V, and then we are going to go ahead and use those other brown shades to blend out the edges of it so it's not harsh. Then I'm just going to wet my brush and dip into the shimmery olive green color. And then again, I'm going to go into some of the other brown shades that I originally used and just blend that out. Lastly, I'm going to dip into some black just to deepen it up a little bit more. I'm then taking some concealer and some powder just to sharpen up the edge. This is totally optional, but I just wanted that really sharp outer V look. And then I'm going to go into some of the browns for my bottom lash line. Now onto the purple look. I'm starting out with this pastel purple as my transition shade, and I'm going to keep dipping back into it to build the color up. I'm going to dip into Love Letter and put that on the outer V. Once that's blended nicely, I'm going to start to bring the color more into the rest of the crease. Then into my Naked Heat palette, I'm dipping into this plum shade called Ashes, and again just placing that on the outer V and then blending it out with the original colors I used. I originally tested this look out with a purple shade on the lid as well, but it was definitely way too much purple and made it super unwearable. So I decided to go back into my Jaclyn Hill palette and use this orangey rose gold shade. I think this color complements the purples really nicely, and again I'm just blending out the edges of that with the original colors I used. And I'm cleaning the outer edges of that up as well. And of course, I'm taking some of those purple shades again onto the lower lash line. Then I'm just adding my Kylie highlighter to the inner corners. And lastly, I'm going to pop on lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos. Didn't mean to do that. I put new videos out all the time, and that's pretty much it. So bye.